Hey, it's I Love Wildlife 7. So today's video is going to be a requested video. The request was for the daily routine of my Budgie, and then the second part of this video is going to be the shoutouts, but I just have a few things to say. Hurricane Sandy really did throw a hard punch at us, but we did get through it successfully. So now my animals are really happy, so I thought it would be a nice time to celebrate and say that all of us got through it, especially some other YouTubers that live around the Northeast. So we really want to say we hope everything went well and all the animals are happy, healthy, and got through it. Okay, back to the video. The first thing I do is I just get a wet paper towel and a dry paper towel. So what I do with the wet paper towel is I just wipe down the bottom of the cage just to get off some poop and debris so that it doesn't accumulate. And there's not really much at the bottom of the cage, so that's pretty good. Alright. Now I get dry paper towel and I just go over what I wet. Sorry, that's my dog in the background playing with her squeaky toy. Okay. Then I fill up my bird's water. Now to her food. Oops. I use the Zoo Cream Fruit Blend flavor canary pellets. And in my last video I did explain why I use these. So I give her about this much. And I still like to keep the original packaging because I like to know what brand I'm using so I don't forget. Okay. Then I just put this back in her cage. I can maneuver this. Okay. And then if it's a good day and my bird hasn't had a treat in a while, I will just treat her. So I will get out the Vitacraft sticks. Okay. This is her favorite treat. And then usually she does use this as a perch. Okay. Good girl. Okay. Don't want to get you a fat birdie. And I also keep my treats in an airtight container. Okay. And as for the water, I just use Deer Park because there is no chemicals in this and it's pretty cheap. My parents buy a lot of bottled water, so I just give this to my bird instead of tap water. And don't give your bird tap water because it can make your bird sick. Okay, now for the part of shoutouts, I just have a couple of shoutouts. The first shoutout I want to give to is Turts and Tords. She is a great pet owner. She has a lot of pets and she is really intelligent when it comes to them. So she was the first person who basically got me interested in owning a Russian tortoise, and you should really check out some of her videos on them. You'll learn a lot, so please subscribe to her channel. Then there is Love Peace Dream 2. She was the third person on YouTube that I met. And at the time there wasn't a lot of Russian tortoise owners, so it was really cool to know one. And plus, she is really making a lot of videos on her Russian tortoises, and they're really good information on them. So please subscribe to her channel. And then there's Only Hamster Advice. She is basically only on facts for the hamsters, but they are really factual, so please just subscribe to her channel. Okay? And then there is Russian Tortoises Help. Now, she is a really great person. She has an awesome channel. She also has Russian tortoises. Most of the people that I'm giving shout outs to are Russian tortoise owners, plus they are, except the Only Hamster Advice, but most of them are Russian tortoise owners, and they also have other pets as well, such as hamsters, a goat, just random. So please subscribe to the Russian Tortoises Help because she's really smart and knows what she's doing. So does every person that I gave a shout out to. So just please subscribe to them all because they're awesome pet owners. So let's just see the dog for a second. Megan, if I can get her. Megan, come here, girl. Come on, girl. Hey, sweetie. Okay. I know you haven't seen her in many of my videos. Oh, she's going to the Russian tortoises cage. I know you haven't seen her in many of my videos, so I thought it would be a nice time to bring her in this one. Hi, girlie. Are you fixed on the tortoise? Yeah. All right. And she just noticed the bird. Okay, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye!